ADC Autonomous District Council Tongan representatives ni media ki thongda thongdong ning basi Autonomous District Councils election ki matangda khara panning mani State Cabinet na Autonomous District Councils election panthoknabagi decision si laure. Accordingly, TA Hills nasu aduga State Election Commission nasu Hill Area Committee da moi ki remark didamak pisingre. So far, the Hill Area Committee is still silent on this matter, and we want that the Hill Area Committee give its note or its remark with regard to the Autonomous District Council elections immediately during this ongoing assembly session. Maramdi election asumaina namthaduna thambasi ekoi people singi democratic rights machine matbani hane ekoi lawi aduga Autonomous District Council singi election pangthokpa matangda difficulties kharasu leirambiya state ki hojiki oiriba law and order ki mipham so ekoi miyam khangnaraga leibani aduga here I want to express that Autonomous District Councils are autonomous in nature. Machine takpadi Autonomous District Council problem later where people welcome the election. Masida, if permissible, state government basu, state election commission basu. On top of that, Hill Area Committee basu. Problem later district council sing the athubada election pangthokpa ekoi pamme habisi deliver a mipham ex member sing ni mayam on behalf the Ngasi so panning mani maramdi it is not necessary that all the 6 or 10 autonomous district councils go for election at one go. Maramdi Autonomous District Council since it is autonomous. Maduna example the Ukrul the Tamelong the Maduki ADC the Karingma problem later. I think elections should be conducted in all those districts where there are no problems, so that people's rights is not curtailed. Masi a funding money 20 plus 30 years first, second, third council si hoji a panbugumna term si toman loy a ningsing masi the last district council term loy masi senapati oirami before fourth council si di amu after some 20 years election amu pangthokni hoji 2015 to 20 phawada ekoi sida family member mapa egi colleagues sing ekoi na member oiram si 5th council ni aduna hoji karigumba election pangthokla the 6th council ki damakni not only the autonomous district council elections even in the valley ekoi na pamjabasi municipal council ki oirabasu panchayat ki oirabasu all the local bodies masisi timely election pangthokpiu ekoi pamme habisi masi a thamjani. Thank you.